Hi, my name is Aaron with Three Tails RV. Today we're going to be talking about the frost-free hydrants found in most RV campgrounds. We're going to explain to you how they work and why it's important to insulate them. First, let's talk about how they work. Basically, you got a handle, you've got a shaft that runs between the handle and it goes all the way down below the frost line. When you lift the handle, the rod that's down here, there's a plunger at the bottom that seals off the water. So when you open up the handle, the tension goes to the rod and the rod lifts the plunger at the bottom. The plunger lifts and activates the water so that the water can come up the tube and then out through the handle and into your RV through the hose. So then when you shut the valve closed, the rod goes back down to the plunger seals off the water, and any water that's left inside of this tube is dissipated through a check valve and is dispersed to the ground underneath, below the frost line. When the handle is left in an upright position, that means that their water is charged all the way up through here and into your RV. When it dips below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, that means that it could freeze the pipe here, could freeze the fitting here, can freeze through your hose all the way connected to your RV. And hopefully get the understanding of how these things work and why it's important to shut them off and disconnect if you're not heat protecting the faucet itself. And if you want to watch another video, watch this video right up here. Or if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as best I can. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we'll see you on our next video.